Hello friends, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College Kannad. Now today we discuss about the displacement current. We shall now see how Maxwell's changed the definition of total current density to adapt the equation of continuity to time dependent fields. Now Ampere circuital law is given by surface integral of B dot dl is equal to mu 0 I, or integration over surface integral closed contour H dot dl is equal to I, that is current, which is equal to surface integral of J dot ds, where J is current density. Now you know about the Stokes theorem. Line integral is converted to surface integral. Now by using Stokes theorem, surface integral of curl of H into ds, that is this line integral, can be converted to surface integral by using Stokes theorem, which is equal to integration over S J dot ds, or curl of H is equal to J. Let us put it in equation of continuity, which is divergence of J is equal to minus of dou rho by dou t. This is the equation of continuity. Therefore, substitute the value of J in this equation. We get divergence of value of J is curl of H is equal to minus of dou rho by dou t. Now you know divergence of curl of H is equal to 0. Therefore, this equation becomes 0 is equal to minus of dou rho by dou t. That is, equation 1 leads to steady state condition in which charge density is not changing. Therefore, for time dependent changing fields, equation 1 should be modified. Maxwell suggested that the definition of total current density is incomplete and advised to add something J. Now suppose that is J dash. Therefore, curl of H is equal to not completely J, but it is J plus J dash. Now taking divergence of both sides, we get divergence of curl of H is equal to divergence of J plus J dash. Now you know about the divergence of curl of H is equal to 0, which is equal to divergence of J plus divergence of J dash, or divergence of J dash is equal to minus of divergence of J, and you know divergence of J is equal to minus of dou rho by dou t. Therefore, divergence of J dash is equal to dou rho by dou t. Now we know that rho is equal to divergence of D. This is well known equation. Rho is equal to del dot D. D is displacement current. So that equation 3 becomes, now substitute the value of this rho, divergence of J dash is equal to dou by dou t of del dot D, which is equal to del dot dou D by dou t, which is equal to divergence of dou D by dou t, or divergence taking common, J dash minus dou D by dou t is equal to 0. Since equation 4 is true for any arbitrary volume, we can put J dash is equal to dou d by dou t. Therefore, the modified form of Ampere's law is curl of H is equal to J plus, instead of J dash, it is J plus dou d by dou t. We note that since J dash arises due to the variation of electric displacement d with time, it is termed as displacement current density. According to Maxwell's, it is just as effective as J, the conduction current density in producing magnetic field. Second, the important inference that we draw equation of 6 is that since displacement current J dash is related to the electric field vector D, where D is equal to epsilon naught E, which is a well-known equation, it is not possible in case of time varying field to real separately with electric and magnetic fields, but instead the two fields are interlinked, giving rise to electromagnetic fields. Thus, J dash results into unification of electric and magnetic phenomena. And third, in a good conductor, J dash is negligible compared to J at a frequency lower than light frequency 10 to the power 15 Hz, as is evident from the following examples.